know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can add color to unsaturated or low light photos in Adobe Lightroom. This is how the final result will look like, but before I can share with you my editing process, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates and notifications when I post a new video. Now without further talking, let's get to the video. First open your image in Adobe Lightroom. On the right hand side change the temperature value to -10 and the tint to +15. Increase the exposure to +0.6 and the contrast to +33. Change the highlights to +22 and the shadows to -22. Increase the whites to +34 and the blacks to +15. Decrease the texture to -15, increase the clarity to +40, change the dehaze to -5. Increase the vibrance to +50 and the saturation to +10. Change the tone curve as shown in the video. In the hue section change the red to +10, keep the orange at 0. Increase the yellow to +20, increase the green to +100, decrease the aqua to -100, decrease the blue to -20. Increase the purple to +40, and increase the magenta to +33. In the saturation section increase the red to +30, decrease the orange to -30, increase the yellow to +10, increase the green to +100, decrease the aqua to -55, increase the blue to +15, increase the purple to +30, keep the magenta at 0. In the luminance section increase the red to +15, increase the orange to +20, increase the aqua to +27, increase the blue to +21, increase the purple to +20, keep yellow, green and magenta at 0. In the split toning section, change the highlight hues to 35, increase the saturation to 20, similarly change the shadow hues to 235, increase the saturation to 10. Increase noise reduction to 30. Add a vignetting of -15 value and increase the highlights to 100.